Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to Luna Classic Update today. And there's a huge uncertainty in the market, and I think that we are going to be just fine because right now I've seen Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is breaking out, and the weekly is looking extraordinary for altcoins and Bitcoin as well. So if I go back into this Bitcoin chart right here and I open up Bitcoin, then you're going to see that Bitcoin has been able to break the downtrend. So you've been moving to the downside, and now you made it up to 63,000, and you might just come back for the retest and then go back up, and you're actually meant to go back to even 72,000 one more time, right? So it's a simple trendline break, retest, and then go back up. So let's hope that the retest gets successful, and then we go back up again, right? So this here also signifies that Luna Classic probably is going to be protected. And once again, as I said before, that the weekly time frame is looking okay to me. So if I go back here and if I take in the weekly time frame, so the weekly time frame, of course, it's showing some reversal sign at the moment. So I'm going to remove some of the drawings, and here you are. So yeah, it's pretty confirmed. Today's Monday. You have now 6 days to make some impact, and the candle that you just made, this one candle, actually shows that it's time to reverse and go back to the upside one more time. So that's it for this quick update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Love.